Good day to you all. You are welcome to Geo's Review channel. Today we are going to Onyi Alex TV's video titled Esther and Jacinta. Featuring in this video, Onyi Alex, Bright Morgan, Eberi Okaro, and Ada Uli. It was a video, or rather a story, about these two girls living with their aunt. Their aunt takes care of them, as in our faith we have it. She has a restaurant that they help her to manage, and it was on this particular day that a man came knocking in their apartment, and this guy, Mr. Dale by name, came to inform Madam Goldie that their apartment has been sold, hence their need for them to park out of that apartment in a month's time. So it was right there and then that Jacinta, on sighting Mr. Dale, had this kind of feelings for him, which now turned out to be that kind of feelings initially, that she loved Mr. Dale. Although Jacinta, being the youngest, as in the little sister to Esther, doesn't have the right, to start going out with a man without the consent of the sister as well as the aunt. So it now happens that the intention or the feelings that Jacinta had for Mr. Dale, or rather Mr. Dale for Jacinta, is different. It's that of a sister to a brother relationship. Why Jacinta, sort of as a naive one, felt it was love. But Mr. Dale had feelings beyond friendship with the elder sister, Esther. So, at first, it nearly turned to a fight between Jacinta and Esther, because Jacinta, right from day one, has been referring to Mr. Dale as her husband, even without Dale, saying anything to her or even talking to her. So that was how they've been playing it. Although Esther and Jacinta, before Mr. Dale came into limelight, they've been together. They've been friends. They play together. They do nearly everything together. So it was the time that Mr. Dale now professed his intention or his love to Esther. That was when, Esther and Jacinta now, that is, Jacinta was a little bit angry with Esther that I was the one that first knew Mr. Dale, then why are you now coming? Or why is it that Mr. Dale now saying that he loves you, Esther, instead of Jacinta? Their aunt, Madam Goldie, intervened And it was by themselves that they had to now come to realization that, oh, is it going to be a man from nowhere that will now come to come and separate them? As in, because confusion in their home are between them as sisters. But we could see that eventually everything came resolved because Mr. Dell has to speak to Jacinta and told her categorically that the kind of feeling he had for her is sister to brother relationship, and to Esther that she really loved Esther. And that was how, we had to now accept that fact. And their aunt, Madame Goldie, also was informed. And during the period when Jacinta and Mr. Daly, were trying to agree to the fact that Mr. Daly loves Esther and not Jacinta, it was right there as Jacinta was, trying to behave childishly, that she now poured the content in her bag, and Mr. Daly found a picture, and that picture is the one that now shows the connection between Jacinta and Mr. Daly. So they had to now meet with Madame Goldie, and now told the story behind the picture, and that was there. They now get to know that Mr. Daly's mother was the one in that picture, and she is the one that gave birth to Jacinta. That their parents always quarrel and fight seriously. That it was a time that their late mother, now decided that she could no longer bear or endure it with their daddy again, and that was how she lived with his sister, that is Jacinta. And she happened to now give the baby to Madame Goldie before she eventually died. And that picture has been with Jacinta since. So that was how Mr. Daly was able to reconcile back with with his sister Jacinta, and everything now became, clear now that Daly loved Esther, and everything they have to now continue with their intention, and they went to enjoy themselves. There and then, Mr. Daly proposed to Esther in the presence of Jacinta. And from this story, we could see that had it been Mr. Daly was the kind of a loose guy who could have taken advantage of the sister without knowing that Jacinta was actually his lost sister. And also, the parts played by Esther as the elder sister and Madame Goldie to restrain and to take care of both girls, it really made those children, the girls, not to misbehave, despite the fact that their aunt owns a bar or a canteen restaurant where they meet with people that comes in to eat, and they were so disciplined. So also the scenario that brought, that made Mr. Daly to be to lost his contact with his sister Jacinta ever since, is as a result of the kind of abuse, or rather the scenario that happened between their parents, that made their mom to leave left their dad, and the children had to now be, the sister had to grow outside their home. Although eventually they said their dad is late too, so they were orphans. At the end, we could see that the intention of Mr. Dell was made known towards Esther, and they decided to continue their relationship as Dell proposed to Esther. So I implore you to like, share, and comment on this video. It's a very interesting movie, and you could learn one or two lessons from there.